I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content. Today we're going to be taking a look at Session Guitarist Electric Neon Deluxe. Now, I made a video before and it was focusing on Electric Neon Essentials, but this time we are looking at the Deluxe, which expands to over 240 patterns, ready to go, all EQ'd, already ran through some processing and all that good stuff. So today we're gonna be looking at some of the patterns and just kind of showing you around Electric Neon Deluxe. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Also, I will leave a download link in the description box below. It's gonna be at the top of the description box below. So make sure you download Electric Neon Deluxe. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. Let's dive right into it. All right, so here is Electric Neon Deluxe. And as you can see, we have our patterns and they correspond with the different notes here. So for example, you have this pattern says C1. On C#1, we have this pattern here, D1, this pattern here, and this pattern here on D#1. So we have different patterns and it goes so on. You can also program these yourself as well, different progressions. Right now, what I want to do is go to the song browser. So I'm just going to click this icon right here, turn it into a magnifier glass. And that opens the song browser and we can kind of just browse and get ideas. So let's go through some of these presets here. Let's start with EDM and we'll just pick some random ones. All right, so now let's go over to the pop tab and check out some of these presets here. Now let's try a new disco tab and just pick a few of them here. Moving on to the reggaeton tab. Let's see what we have here. Tropical house. And I'm going to exit out of there. And then with this one, you can also change the voicing as well. So I explained this all in my Electric Neon Essentials video and how you can go in here and change the different voicings. So say, for example, if you want different voicing, you just play it a little bit differently here. You can always preview it right here. actually have to be playing the keys to change the voicings here, to actually hear the voicings. And then we have our pattern rhythm here. And then we can also click and drag using this icon here. I talked about that in another video. And then we have our different settings down here. So we have our patterns, guitar settings. So if you want to be change the tonality of the guitar, you can do that from here. Change the volume, the pickup, adjust some of the muted notes, the noise, the intonation. Then we have our favorite section, which is the amps and effects. Come in here and fully customize this. Add different EQs, different effects, reverbs, choruses, and really get the vibe that you're going for. And then of course for playback, you can adjust how you want it to sound. For the performance, do you want it to swing? Do you want it to be 8th notes, 16th notes? How's it gonna, act with the tempo? Is it gonna be double time? Is it gonna be half time? Are you gonna sync it to the host? So things like that. You can also come in here and click this icon here, and then you can see the corresponding key triggers. So we got C1 here, and it tells you exactly what it is. And then you have your different slides over here, and you have your different endings. So you can really get fancy with the Electric Neon Deluxe. So again, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. Click that link if you want to download Electric Neon Deluxe. Also watch the video to Session Guitars Electric Neon Essentials. And that's all I have for you today. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video. We out.